When software crashes or system bugs hit, unsaved work can vanish and important files can become corrupted or inaccessible. Official Repairit. One AI data repair tool to fix your corrupted data is built to repair damaged videos, photos, files, audio, and emails. It brings AI-powered repair and enhancement into one place, helping streamline recovery in minutes. For video problems, it focuses on repair features designed to help restore corrupted or damaged footage. Official Repairit. One AI data repair tool to fix your corrupted data also supports broader file repair needs when system issues risk data loss. After the repair process, you can preview the fixed files before saving anything. Then save the recovered files to the location you choose, keeping the workflow simple and controlled. It fits moments when crashes, bugs, or inaccessible files interrupt work and you need a practical recovery path. For AI-powered repair across corrupted data types, consider Official Repairit. One AI data repair tool to fix your corrupted data.